So this is how you make a paper airplane. You have dog hair. Okay. You fold it in half, hot dog style, lengthwise or whatever. First, make a crease. Unfold it. Fold it at the corners, like kind of like this, so they line up with the middle on each side. Do that on both sides of one end. Then you do it one more time on the same end. Just fold the outer edge onto the inside. Alright, and then you fold the outside to the middle one more time. And you do that, and then you fold it like just like that, and you fold the wings down about an inch probably from the bottom, so they're level, mostly level I guess. And you match the other wing up, unfold the wings, and then you have a beautiful paper airplane. Oh, it's perfect.
So we decided that we're going to be throwing from 2 yards high, and using trigonometry, we figured out that we'd need to be throwing, from 2 yards high, we need to be throwing just under 5 yards out to get that prime angle in between horizontal and 45 degrees.
Which was 67.5.
The angle was like 67 point something. So we're going to be throwing from 2 yards high, and we're going to be throwing 5 yards out. So right now I'm measuring 180 inches, which is 5 yards. Okay. So this is 5 yards that we're going to be throwing out, and we'll start throwing from the edge of the concrete.
And we used a tennis ball to mark
Yeah, we're using
the 5 yards.
this tennis ball. So mark where we're throwing it. Okay. So now what we're doing is we now we go 2 meters high from here and aim at the tennis ball. So Ow. Okay. So now we're throwing from 2 yards high, and we're aiming at the tennis ball. So, and these are the decline trials where we're throwing the downwards. And you throw it from the top, aim it at the tennis ball. That's where it goes.
And then we measure.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I forgot that part. And then after we throw it, we measure it, see how far it is from the cement. How far is that? The tip of the plane.
It's the measurements up there.
Oh, just kidding. Is that the tip of the plane?
There we go.
Okay, so that's 141 inches.
Ready.
Okay, so now we're going to be filming from 2 yards high, but this time instead of doing decline throws, we're going to be doing horizontal throws. Just trying to get it as far as we can with just flicking the wrist. That's how we're doing all the throws. We're just flicking our wrist. No arm movements, just the wrist. And for this trial, we're going vertical from 2 yards. So just as far as you can get it with 2 yards high, flicking your wrist. Okay. And then we measure furthest distance from the plane from the cement. Oh, help me. And that is 169 inches. Oh, so, okay. So for this final test, we're doing incline, starting from low, ending to high. And we're just kind of reversing the decline one. So where we started, top, going bottom. Now we're just starting at the tennis ball and going to 2 yards high.
To see how far we can get.
Yeah. And this is still the same distance. This is still 5 yards. So now we're just trying to get from the tennis ball to the top of that thing. and that's how that trial ended up. So then we measure that trial and record it, and we do each trial 30 times.
It's okay, we can just edit this part out. Okay, start whenever you want, it's recording.
Good. So for this experiment, we for this experiment, all of our throws were wrist only. Like, we wouldn't throw like that. We just see how far we could throw it using our wrist. So just like that, kind of. So that's how we did our throws. We did them all the same. Same person threw each trial. And for each trial, like incline, horizontal, and decline, we did 30 trials. So we did 30 throws decline, 30 throws horizontal.
And recorded the distance.
30 trials incline, yeah. And we recorded the distance each time.
In inches.
In inches, yeah. So, yeah. Anything else?
No, I think that's it.